Hey, it seems as if Bonko does not believe that Maruna actually really wants him, because Maruna gave Bonko an option to choose if he wants Maruna to be part of the garden show or the garden performance. He has to call off the engagement between him and Oetu. So Ubonko isn't ready to do that, you understand. Instead, Ubonko went to his mom to tell Felicia ukuthi Umaruna made him choose between the two. Of which I can say it's a blackmail. But Felicia was like, what was he expecting? Because obviously they dated and Ubonko was very stubborn having to choose Maruna into the family, you understand. Up until the secret broke out, which Maruna slept with Gabriel and had a child with Gabriel. So what was Ubonko expecting? What was Bonko expecting vele ngoba phela vele ilokho vele bekuzoyenza ukuthi Maruna blackmail Ubonko. So on the other side guys, imali kaMpumi isiyangena. Makampumi got in, understand. So obviously she came back to Uwendu Mamwake from withdrawing money at the ATMs. So fortunately, Umpumi gave Uwendi some money, you understand. And the thing that actually confuses me is Uwendi, when she got the money, she acted like she didn't want the money. Because she loves money. You all know Uwendi is just out there for money. She loves money. She started crying. I won't call these tears of joy, guys. I don't know. I don't care what you say. These are not tears of joy. She was pretending. She was acting like she's crying. They gave her money, guys. And finally, she got what she actually wanted, which is money, because she was always rooting for money, you understand. So it's the money that actually Mpumi got, and Mpumi whenever she's gonna sell another song, she's gonna take the money to Amnege Food, because she always knew Uwendi always wanted a double-story house and whatsoever, and renovating a house, a big house and everything. So on the other side, Felicia meets up with Maruna, and Maruna is too brave to tell Felicia Uguti she still wants Ubonko. So Felicia had to ask Maruna Uguti, who did you sign with, Kante? Bonko or Genesis? Maruna Uguti, she signed with Genesis. Felicia, so since you signed with Genesis, she's gonna do what Genesis tells her to do. So she is gonna go perform on that show. She has no choice, or else there was gonna be a breach of contract, which will require a large sum of fine money. So she will be fined imali ukuthi akhokhe isikweleto if she ever breaches the contract ka Maruna. So Maruna is actually uzoperforma kula show lana, because she even said ukuthi yena ngathi Bonko has had her having on his spells or whatsoever, voodoo ngathi umshayeli bheka mina ngedwa Bonko. On the other side, guys, mafitsotso kuvakashela uIsmail ambuza ukuthi uright in, because he is from a breakup, you understand, and manje kumafitsotso is sleeping with another girl in his room, you understand. uIsmail ayibona le nto and is surprised ukuthi uright in umafitsotso, because he must agree ukuthi uNandipha hurt him, you understand, and he must have a way forward of moving on, not the way that he is doing, you understand. So back to Bafethu, I think this promoter comes through to Genesis, Ikhuluma noBonko, and I think he's actually happy about the proposal that uBonko abanayo to help them actually launch their show and support their show, you understand. So it seems as if Sebenz into Bonko is coming through together, yabona. And yeah, I think these people are gonna sponsor his show and actually monitor his show, you understand. Weekend, garden. So Umaruna Bafethu is absolutely sad, and understand that, because of the things that she's been getting on the internet. On the other side, I am late to Mama Nengane lapha umpumi nowendi, I mean, went out shopping, you understand. Very izinto doing ngazo kuwendi mayithola imali, we understand. So Umaruna Bafethu yasho ukuthi she won't be able to make it to the garden show, you understand, because she feels as if Genesis is using her, you understand, and she doesn't like it to go to Genesis again whenever she wants to. Because Wendy loves money, she is surprised ukuthi why ungayi kulokhuza show, you understand. But Umaruna ngoba ufuna uBonko and it's not working out, so she doesn't want to make it to the cut, yabona. On the other side Bafethu uyavakashela lapha uBonko, vakashela umkakhe to be owethu, you understand. So they've been discussing about the preparations for the garden show that Bonko wants to host, you understand, which is actually coming through, I can say. So the good news is bafethu owethu's parents are willing to actually support the show yabona in all three provinces yabo, as said ukuthi bazofika in all three provinces to actually support the show and be there for Genesis yabo. I feel like they've always been like on those particular shows yabo abazali bakhe. So yeah, it's good to hear, but ke still owethu akazi bafethu ukuthi uBonko is cheating and uMaruna ngale uyamfuna uBonko. She's not stopping the fight to actually run in for Bonko. So Ishmael, I guess, is here on his warm-up Lapana Genesis. I think he's preparing for the show too. And then he gets approached by Unandip. Unandip approached Ishmael to check up on Ufistos. It doesn't make sense. Unandip was the one who actually rushed to the live stream videos to actually embarrass Umafitoto, but she's the same person who's asking Ishmael Uti, how is Umafitoto? So Ishmael Bafetu vele she uvele amenza aba jealous uNandi, you understand, and said ukuthi Umafitoto is happy, is living happily, he has moved on, and usenentombi entsha enhle futhi, you understand. uNandi they not like to hear those kind of words yabo, because I think she regrets herself having to do what she did to Mafitoto. On the other side, Mafitoto, the press conference yenzeka lapha Genesis regarding the show. So obviously Mafitoto Bonko was announcing ukuthi the show is coming through well and the municipality is gonna sponsor the show. We understand that they're gonna be on the lookout of the show. She's supporting Ubonko because Ubonko is her man. Yeah, well. So bakhuluma laphana ke uFelicia after the conference yasho Felicia ukuthi no man, this girl actually really wants you, referring to Umaruna, you understand, and they leaving Bonko no choice than to actually pick Umaruna. But at the same time, it wasn't a solid convo up until Owethu had to come and interrupt their conversation, you understand. It was nearly a slip of a tongue, honestly, because if Owethu heard something there, Bonko was gonna be in huge trouble, yeah, bro. So Owethu practically was asking if Maruna is gonna be there and why does Maruna do not want to come to the tour, you understand. So yeah, sure, Bonko would say some diva things, but maybe she's full of herself and whatsoever. But bafuna yena Bonko, so Maruna wants Bonko to call off the engagement and choose her. So bafethu ke uAusi is actually seeing some signs ukuthi uNandi is pregnant, because when she actually came through to give them fruits, uyasho Ausi ukuthi he is gonna be the father is gonna be proud. Where was Nandi put which father? Her father would no, the father of the baby, you understand? Because it looks like Unandipa is really pregnant. It looks like what I was really thinking would no man, Nandipa is pregnant. Nandipa is pregnant in Mafitoto, but it hasn't been revealed because she is denying and she is saying to Unobushi she is not pregnant. It's impossible to pregnant, you understand? Because we actually know elder people actually see signs if a person is actually pregnant. So Sasazige deny but Umaruna is given a second chance, guys, to actually be on the show or not. And I'm telling Umaruna, Ubonko Umaruna them they are not gonna happen, you understand? It's not something that's gonna happen because Ubonko chose Owethu, and it's disappointed by what Maruna did when they actually had like a couple. When they were a couple, I mean, yes. So Jobasa Bafesu, Maruna slept to Gabriel. You understand? Gabriel happens to be Bonko's stepfather. So Ubonko is not actually looking forward to go back to Maruna. Instead, where I'm trying Maruna Guti, if you don't take the offer, then Umaruna will be watching TV. You'll be watching Ubonko or Owethu holding hands in TV, and the show is gonna go on, regardless of what Maruna thinks. If Maruna's in, yes. If Maruna's out too, Ubonko is gonna continue with the show. Understand? So he doesn't care what Maruna ufila kanjani yabona, but once Maruna part of the show, so it's up to Maruna yabafethu ukuthi ayeke yena ukulokhu benama-feelings for uBonko and take the opportunity to perform in one of the grandest stage. You understand? So this is the only opportunity that she has to redeem herself ngale stage and musically, because the fans actually want her to perform in whatsoever. Let me know what you think is gonna happen on the comment section, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.